that noise? It's the cops!
Sam! The bird's gone! The bird's gone!
Get a grip on yourself, will you?
The bird's gone!
Just try to relax. I'll take care of everything. Whatever you do, don't cry.
Are these the two men?
What seems to be the problem, officer? What's the charge?
What about counterfeiting, extortion, fraud, impersonating a dentist, stealing an apple from a kid?
Oh, about that apple, officer. I can explain that. We was just holding it for a friend.
Yeah, for a friend.
You can tell that to the judge.
The judge.
Be a man.
I don't want to be a man.
Shut up, Sid! Shut up!
Judge, Sam. Jail.